Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, April 3rd, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we had another boring losing day today, and I'm trying to prepare my customers that after these huge gargantuan wins we had uh, from the very beginning of the first quarter right down to the end, that we're in to a quieter period, and it probably isn't going to produce great amounts of profits. I don't think it's going to produce great amounts of losses. That's the good part of it. But stocks just can't keep up the kind of volatility that we were experiencing for so many weeks. And I believe, and I said this yesterday, that we're in a transition period right now, and um, the market is in effect building a base, uh, and from that base, it will start the new bull market of 2020. And I know nobody is talking like I am, believing in a new bull market, given the horrible state of the news and everything right now. But honestly, no pun intended. I think we're going to get pretty sick of the coronavirus pretty soon. And when that's over with, it's over with. And we are going to see um, a very fired up economy resume. And we're going to make a lot of money as the stocks move up. That is my prediction, my belief. What we're seeing here, particularly today, is very indecisive sideways action. Yesterday, the Dow went up 470 points. Today, it went down 361. But you can see the shape of the charts here. It's just basically drifting sideways. Can't decide what it wants to do, but actually, I think it's just base building and getting ready for that to start that move up. I don't think we're going to see a lot of more downside action. And hey, I could be wrong. I could be wrong. But that's the way I'm calling it. That's the way I'm thinking of it. But the nice thing about it is I trade an algorithm, and so do my customers. And if the bottom falls out of this thing, doing totally opposite what I say it's going to do, we're going to make a hell of a lot of money. But don't worry about it. We will still make a hell of a lot of money. So we're going to make money either way. Anyway, actually, today's kind of action is the worst kind of action for us. It's just a non-volatile, drifting sideways stock market, and that isn't good for us. And we closed out six positions today uh, with negative $5,000, just slightly improved over what we had in open trade equity yesterday. We got into one stinking position, and that is negative $3,500. It's a penny stock, and the thing fell 7 cents on 50,000 shares. So that put us down $3,500. And I don't know what to say about that. But so that's the score. We closed out 5,000 negative, and we got into one new position with negative 3,500. So as I say, it's a loss, but it's not a big loss, and it's just absolutely inconsequential compared to the profits that we made in the first quarter. So we're just gonna stick with this, and we're waiting because I've been done this a long time and I know how it works. You got to keep trading because that big turnaround day, that explosion, that day that puts you in trading heaven, comes right out of the blue when you least expect it, and you better be ready to go when that happens. So meanwhile, we'll put up with the boring days. Anyway, I got nothing to show you. Absolutely nothing. Just like yesterday. So I'm going to wish you all a great weekend. And I'll be back here trading on Monday as usual.